Hey, Kevin here from Firehouse Education, and I just wanted to have a little conversation today about taking your business to a level of distinction that makes it effortless to do business. And so there's some elements to that, and if you can master this, if you can consistently deliver on that ideology, I think you can have what I would call a premier business or a category of one business. And it doesn't matter where you're at or what your business level is at this point. What matters is how you go forward from this point, and how you create that distinction in your marketplace to have that effect. And so there's some elements there that are really important to design into your business in order to create that. And Anissa and I worked on this for years, and we figured it out, quite frankly. And so right now what we're doing is ending a 3-month-long trip that we've been on, going to different countries and hanging out in some really phenomenal places and having some really great experiences. And it's given us time to sort of reflect back and really think about our year this year and what we're going to do going forward. And one of the things that we really figured out some time ago and have continued to refine is what we do for our clients or our customers, and how that is different than what other people are doing in our industry, so that we've created a distinction or a differential, which is what really everybody needs. Because I'm gonna ask this question: Do you want to be able to be as good as everybody else in your business, or do you want to be better and have everybody else trying to keep up? And if you can get to that level, you can eliminate your competition. You can create a monopoly in your demographic. And I think the reason, or the way to do that, is by designing the experience that your business delivers, with the services or products that you're offering, and creating a differential that makes you distinct and stand out in your marketplace, so that you can have that. And so one of the things that happens is business becomes effortless when you achieve this, and business becomes fun when you create this. And so you may be doing that to some degree and to some level right now, and maybe it's just not consistently happening for you. But I think that it takes time to sit down and really consider what it is you're trying to offer your customers that makes them want to do business with you. And we see good examples of this all the time. People should be raving about their experience with you and talking to other people and telling them about it, and that's really what we want. And so when you do that in things that happen in your own daily life, if you've read a really good book, you tell other people about it. If you've gone to a great movie, you tell people about it. Maybe you've gone to a really great restaurant and had a really great experience at that restaurant, and so you want other people to have that same experience, and so you share your experience and encourage them to go try it out so they can have that as well. And by the way, that's called marketing. It's called referral marketing. And I think if you would like your customers and clients, people that interact with you, with your business, to be doing that, then you need to learn to consistently deliver that experience for them. And if you can master that, then you will have a premier business in your demographic. You will not have competitors, and you will have all the business that you want. And so this year, that's what we're going to be focusing on from Firehouse, is how to design that business and that experience for your clients. And so if you're interested in that, you should follow along and stay tuned. Subscribe to our social medias so that you can find out more about that, and give us a shout if you want us to have more conversation with you about that. But what's going to happen is business will become painless. It's going to become easy. It's going to be fun. It's going to be profitable. and you're going to find that people are going to want to be connected with you and your business, both as clients and customers and as people that would like to work with you in business, because everybody likes to get up every day and go to work in a place that is fun and exciting, and you get to the gratification of creating experiences for others. And in our industry, we deal in disasters. We deal in unplanned events that interrupts their life. It wreaks havoc. It's a negative thing. But if you have the unique opportunity to create a different outcome for them, and if you can take that to the level of great experience where they've gone from a mess into a thing that they're happy to have had the experience of meeting you and your company, then you're going to create a distinction in the marketplace that no one else in your area has, which is going to grant you a monopoly and eliminate competition and make it a great experience for you. And I think that's what we're really in business in. As entrepreneurs, I think we start businesses or buy businesses because we want to have the freedom to create our own outcome. And one of the things that we learned a long time ago was, if you want to get what you want, you just simply need to help others get what they want. And when you can do that, you will find people will be seeking you out rather than you having to seek them out and do business. And I think that's really the ultimate level of entrepreneurship. So if you would like to design that and create that for your own business and your own marketplace, then let's stay in touch and let's continue this conversation throughout the year. So with that, I'm going to sign off, and we're going to hang out here for the rest of the day in Fiji, and then we're going to be heading home. We've had a great time here. We've had a great experience, and it's given us a lot of opportunity to reflect on how we would like to create and design experiences for others. And that's what we're going to do going forward into 2019. So we'll see you out there.